You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So how do you say the name of the solo piano composition by originally Polish composer, Polish-French composer Frédéric Chopin? So in French it is said as Fantaisie, Fantaisie, meaning fantasy of course, Fantaisie, impromptu. You do have a word in English that comes from French, impromptu. Impromptu is how it's said in English. Fantaisie impromptu. That's how you say it in French, impromptu. Fantaisie impromptu. Or if you cannot pronounce French perfectly, it'd be fine to say it as fantaisie, fantaisie impromptu. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.